Hey everyone, in this video we will learn 6 ways to subtract numbers in Excel. First go to Start. Type Excel. Click on Excel to open it. Click on Blank Workbook to open new spreadsheet. First, we will zoom our sheet for clear view. We will zoom little more than our previous video. Let's start. First one is by direct number subtraction in single cell. Take an example that we want to subtract 13, 24 and 37 from 99. First type equal to number from which we want to subtract, that is 99. Now type numbers we want to subtract with minus operator, that is nothing but minus sign. Type minus 13, minus 24, minus 37. Press enter key. You can see the result immediately. Second one is by subtraction of cells. Type all required numbers in different cells. Let's type numbers in cell A1, A2, A3 and A4 cells. As we have 4 numbers. Type 99 in cell A1, 13 in A2, 24 in A3 and 37 in A4 cell. Let's do subtraction in cell A5. Type equal to A1 minus sign, A2 minus A3 minus A4. Press enter key on keyboard and you can see subtraction is done. Third one, using the sum function with minus operator. Type equal to. Now type A1 minus. Type sum. Press tab key. A2 colon A4. Press enter key. Again press enter key to accept the correction dialog. It subtracts everything from cells A2 to A4 from value of A1 cell. This can also be done using mouse. Type equal to. Now type A1 minus sum. Then press tab key. Select cells from A2 to A4 that we want to subtract. Press enter key. Again press enter key to accept the correction dialog. You can see the result. Fourth one is using autosum function. For this we have to change the way we have written numbers. We will type number we want to subtract with minus sign. Leave 99 as it is because this is number from which we want to subtract. Now add minus sign to other numbers. Type minus 13, minus 24, minus 37. Now, make sure cell below list of numbers is selected. Go to Home tab. Just click on Auto Sum button. Press enter key. Excel figures it out for you. No need to type formula manually. Fifth one is using keyboard shortcut key. Click below on cell below numbers you want to calculate. Press Alt and equal to on keyboard. Now press enter key. You will get result instantly. Sixth one. When values are in non-adjacent cells. This is helpful if you want to calculate value of cells that are not in adjacent cells. Let's type numbers in cell B1, B7, D5 and G8. Click on cell in which you want to calculate. Now type equal to B1 minus B7 minus D5 minus G8. Press enter key. Done. And that's all. Which method do you use most often? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and share video and subscribe to the channel.